To invite and assign a housekeeper to a property, simply click on Properties in the top level navigation. Select the property to which you would like to invite a housekeeper to. In the left navigation, click on Cleaning Automation. Under My Housekeepers, click on Add More. In the modal, click on Invite. Enter the first name, last name, and a cell phone number of your housekeeper. And click on Invite. This sends out an SMS message to your housekeeper and onboards them to Automate B&B. Here, select the housekeeper that you would like to add to the property and click on Add. To assign all the cleanings from today onward to Akash Patel, you would click on Edit under Assign a Housekeeper. And from the drop-down, select the housekeeper you would like to assign these cleanings to, and then hit Submit. If you go under Reservations, you'll see that for the property to which we added the housekeeper to, all the cleanings is assigned to Akash Patel.